I'm at such a beautiful place here. It is created by specially able human beings. So I will just show you the vibe of this place and enjoy. Our home is so different, no? Each and everything is so well crafted. Yes. So pay attention to something like the so it was an amazing experience. Kulhar chai. Thank you so much. Let me take. Thank you. You can take this. Huh? Water we can keep. Yes. Thank you. So, cheers. This is the Kulhar chai, the Indian Kulhar chai. Kulhar chai means this is earthen. And cheers. Cheers. Yes. So let us enjoy. We'll meet later. Thank you. Lesson for you from this experience. I started sharing everything when it was before the dawn, and now the morning is happening. She has arrived. You must have watched all the clippings and everything. I'm completing this section of the part of the video where, after traveling for such a long distance to dissolve herself, to meet the Guru, to transform her life, she reached. And surprisingly, at the cafe, it was an amazing experience. I need to tell you, the vibes out there, everything was handcrafted. Some of the pictures I may share and you can have a feel of it, but I cannot express the vibes, the energy of that place, and the energy that I infused just by staying there. When I say I am the life frequency, I really mean it. My energy actually spreads across, and my energy spread across that cafe, and everyone was so happy. Millions of people come and go every day, but nobody has the time to witness, to observe life. Each soul in that cafe was vibrating higher, and they want nothing from you. I felt, I energized, I healed them with my powers, with my intention, and that was reflected in the vibes out there. Amazing it was. I must say it was amazing. And what my student experienced is all her tiredness of traveling has gone away. And she felt so much in the moment. Was it the food? What was it, the cafe? Or was it my power? I must say it was a combination of all that she felt it. And now she is in joy, in nature, so vibrant, so smart. All your tiredness went away.
Yes, oh my
The
God,
ca-
it's not away.
Yes, we had vada pav and kulhar chai at the cafe, and it was so lovely and tasty.
Yes,
So I would like to know from you how you're feeling right now.
I feel relaxed. I feel
Happy?
happy,
Excited?
excited.
Yes. So let's begin the journey. Thank you. See you in the next episode, the chapter. Bye bye. So we are here to experience the traditional way of eating. This is banana leaf. Two masala dosa. So I'll show you what is being served. Meanwhile, you experience the cooking. Excited? A traditional instinctive way to eat food on a banana leaf. This is banana leaf. Like this, you can put feel the ambience, the smell of the food, the cooking process. This is coconut chutney. Coconut chutney. This is tomato and mix of garlic onion chutney. Yes. And this is sambar made from lentils. You drink it hot. Yes. Give us 2 spoons. So you drink it hot. Give sambar hot next time. Yes. You have to first like middle of it. It is stuffed with potato. It is stuffed with potato. Start eating. Mixed it with some chutney and enjoy it. Enjoy it while it is hot. So All right. After the dosa experience, masala dosa experience, we are having the experience of coffee, filter coffee. The way to drink it is very much strong. So we will add sugar in it. So add sugar in it and then stir it. No, you have to add sugar. Add sugar in it. Add sugar. Yes. Okay. Give me. Then mix it and like this you pour it here. Like this. And drink from this. Enjoy. Tasty? Strong? So this is how it is done. Yes. Sunset drinking. This is sunset drinking. Enjoy. So see you. So we had the best experience, isn't it?
Yes.
You love the food
I love food very much, very tasty.
and your hand. Can you tell me what you felt when you used your hand to eat food?
I felt instinctive. I
Yes.
felt
Better?
better.
You could feel the taste of the food more,
More. I
Yes.
feel-
and it was exciting and interesting
It was interesting for me
to eat with hands.
hands outside.
Yes, and
Sometimes,
also you could taste the food much.
I
And the
taste,
tongue also.
I taste the food much. Yes, my
Better.
hands, my better taste.
So we are the sunset eating makes you feel more close to life and your brain and nervous system. When you use your hands, look at the movement of the hands. All the fingers are being used. The nervous system is getting the signal from the hands, from the tip of your fingers. The sensors are in the tip of your fingers, and your nervous system sends signals to the brain, whether the food is good, bad, or hot, cold, everything.
Yes, we taste,
So and the taste is also taste more than spoon. So it was amazingly means we have no words to express how the experience was. So you have to experience it yourself. So let's go. Watch how it is getting crushed. They have put lemon in it. Stand here. Natural juice getting crushed in front of your eyes.
Yeah.
Sugarcane juice is very much useful for your energy. It is the pure form of glucose. So if you can take sugarcane juice directly, it is the most beneficial way to drink and energize yourself. It contains the minerals which is required for you for your nervous system rejuvenation. So I'll show you. Yes. Thank you. Come this side. Yes, cheers. Cheers.
So delicious.
Yes.
It's raining.
Hmm. We can be here. Yes, enjoy.
So delicious. I
Mm.
like.
Drink slowly.
Okay.
Sip by sip, sunset drinking. Make use of your senses. We will go in some time. Enjoy. Cheers. So bye bye. See you. It has come from somewhere. Lost. Yes, lost. What is true spirituality? True spirituality is to know your life. If you cannot feel life, then doing all the spiritual sadhanas, practices in the name of spirituality is all wastage of life. It is all about participation in life. So today we have come to an exciting place to celebrate the victory of the soul, to celebrate the victory of the spirit. That is about serving ourselves the best food along with the best experience of eating. So let me show you an distant view of the place where we are going. So meet you at that place. Bye bye. Have a look. Amazing. It's mega. I have come for the first time because there is always first time to everything. I have discovered this for us. Look at this view. Isn't it amazing?
Amazing. Yes.
Wow. I love greenery, and this is what the pranic element of this place is. When you enter here, you feel that energy, high energy, isn't it? The feel, yes, yes, pranic energy. Come this side. Yes, wow. It's totally different world. In the middle of the city, you are finding a place which is so unique, so different, isn't it?
So different.
Let's stand here and feel it. Yes, you can move around and feel this place. White lily. No, not white lily. Water lily. Yes. Water lily. Amazing, amazing, amazing.
So nice.
So beautiful. So garden cafe is this side. Look at the garden cafe. Have this experience with me. Yes. Enjoy. There is no one. It's our place. What a privilege. It's a private place. It's so such a privilege. Look at this view, greenery. So this is actual celebration of life which we are doing, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. Feeling high. Yes. Feeling is everything. Life is about feeling. If you don't feel, there is no life, isn't it?
Yes.
Are you feeling the freedom here?
I feel freedom here.
We came at a time when there is no one, and we can feel that this entire space is ours.
Yes. Very beautiful place.
Yes.
That's
Little music is playing in the background. It's classy.
so classy.
Yes. A mix of both worlds. Have a view of the ceiling. It's glass. It's made of glass. Look at the sky. Yes. Now I'm teaching her the freedom of being yourself. Nobody watches you. What you do, what you don't do. As long as you can feel yourself, you are alive. So after her Shaktipat, this is the best treat, isn't it?
Yes.
Best of both the worlds. You don't have to go inside, you have to come outside. This is called Sahet Samadhi. Sahet Samadhi means after going to the center, participate in life. So this is participation in life. Make use of everything. She is feeling younger, energetic, youthful.
Delightful.
Yes. In terms of age, she is feeling just like a young lady. Young girl, isn't it? I'm sure this energy will reach you, and wherever you are, you will be healed. So, experience this place with me. There is a big tree out there in the center. I'll show you. Such a beautiful craft, artistic craft, isn't it? Come here. Look how beautiful it is crafted. It's an ancient tree there, and it seems like a vortex, even though they have created this space. But the energy of the place is still, we are feeling it. It's a gulmohar tree, a big gulmohar tree, very ancient. So, did you expect anything like this surprise?
No.
So, Guru loves to give surprises. Life is all about surprise. You can enjoy, you feel on your own. Look at the tree, look at the orchids on the tree. Look at the orchids on the tree. So you have to discover new places. Only through traveling you can discover the places. I am discovering best of the best vortexes, energetic places where you just feel high and special. Nobody will make you feel special. You have to make yourself feel special by creating events, experiences in your life. Give me your hand. Like this. It's time. Enjoy the freedom. Age is all in the mind, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. Loosen up. Relax your body. Drop your shoulders. Straighten your chest. Let's have a seat here just for fun. Now we'll I will teach you shooting. Wherever you pay attention to, you experience something is so unique. This fan, this showpiece, everything is uniquely crafted. I have never seen something so unique like this. It is unique to this place and the creator of this place. So the credit goes to the creator. And so is your life. You can create your life. We are creating our life this moment. This place is the power to increase the creativity in you, and you start paying attention to the details of life. This natural ambience, look at the movement of the trees, and something has come alive with this ambience. And if you can see, there is more of nature, more of prana in this place than any matter. Something is coming alive every moment. Feel it. Feel it with me. Feel it. The uniqueness, the crafted fan there. So give yourself this special moment by being present. The different varieties of flora and fauna of this place. Of course, the food is there. She has become creative. She is creating her moments. This is how my energy works on you. Through my Shaktipat, you become younger. Through my Shaktipat, you become alive. I open all your energy centers in the body through which you grow more creative. And this is possible only in my presence. I not only raise your energy, I transform you into a new being. Life is all about this moment, and if you miss this moment, you miss everything. So don't waste your life anymore. Come alive. Do some creative activities. And in order to activate your creativity, come to such places. You cannot do everything at your home or in your closed doors. You need the energetic support of nature around you. And it could be in the form of such kind of cafe, which I have discovered. If you want to explore more, you have to step out of your house and create something new. I will share the moments captured by her at the end of the video, and you will love it. This is how I inspire. This is how I transform, by being exemplary myself. You have to live an exemplary life to feel life. So we have ordered bread and omelette and some salad and seasoning, and it looks yummy and delicious.
So delicious. We are so hungry.
You're so hungry?
So hungry.
Then start. What are you waiting for? Start it.
Okay.
So this is our food experience. We are going to have this bread, omelette, some salad, seasoning, and we are hungry. So see you after the food. It looks yummy. Thank you. And this place is awesome. The food was awesome and it was worth investing our life here. Each and every moment spent here is special because I am present to life and I am making you experience the same. If you are experiencing life in this moment, then there is no next moment. The health benefits involved in this brunch is awesome because you are taking all the portions of the nutrition required, and especially the hospitality of this place makes you feel human. There is nothing mechanical here. Everything is customized, tailor made for you. Why? Because you are present to life. You are experiencing life. This moment will go away and it will never come back. So make use of this moment to live your life. Otherwise, your mind will keep you dead. Don't you feel you have come to a place somewhere in the hills? There is no connection with the outside noise or chaos here. Feel the stillness. Feel the moment when you go beyond time. You can feel the timelessness only when you are ready to live life. Drink it. We are now enjoying high cold coffee. And it is amazing. You like the taste?
Yes, cinnamon with cinnamon.
Yes, yes. Totally different. Unique flavor.
Unique.
I like it. Say bye bye. Today is the sunset walking day. Means in this episode, you will be watching what is sunset walking and how you can improve your brain and nervous system instinctively through sunset walking. There will be different moments in this video which you will observe and learn from me how to walk in a new way so that your sense perception, your power of sensing, your cognitive function, your memory, and everything improves, and you are no more lost in mindless walking or jogging or doing exercises which doesn't give you any result. This sunset walking is all about including and involving all your senses while you are walking in nature or on the roads or anywhere, but you are observant. You're paying attention to everything around you. You are not just walking mindlessly in a pattern where you have outsourced your walking experience to the mind. You are involved in the walking process. So, I will be sharing many secrets, and this is an instinctive project with my student. I'll make her nervous system and brain function in a more efficient way, and this is what the project is all about. She has been suffering from OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder of cleaning unnecessarily, which comes from the basic mindset of that everything is unclean and it is a disease, it is a disorder. So rest of the understanding I will give you on the way. So let's go. Bye bye. Yes, we'll go this way. That's why I say Sanju frequency is the new frequency. You can experience this only with us. The matrix has its own pace and life has its own pace. And I am making you experience the pace of life. The honking, the traveling of the matrix is all full of sympathetic breathing. And I am with her, teaching her vagus nerve life, where everything is slow. Look at this home in the background. This a different kind of vibrant atmosphere. You have to keep your eyes open to experience life. Sunset open to experience life. I'm capturing all the special moments that life is composed of. Yes, yes, that is awesome looking. A cafe in the background, and here also something unique. At every corner of this city, life reflects in the form of greenery. Wherever you go, you will find such awesome locations. Isn't it? Look at this place. So unique. And look at this background.
So unique. Green plants
Yes. So focus on your posture when you're walking. Look at that. Those trees. I'll show you something unique in the background. Look at those trees. The colors. Yes. Can you see?
I see colors so beautiful.
Come. The pace of the city is there in the traffic, and the pace of life is here. Wow! Look at those bell flowers. I will show you what I'm excited about. Bell flowers. Look in the background. These are bell flowers. We are living life. What are you doing? I'm teasing you so that you take actions. Wow. Everything is something official building or maybe anything. But the green effect of this city is life. How are you feeling?
I am feeling enjoyable.
Yes.
Enjoying. I'm happy.
So we are here to celebrate our life, which is in the moment. And in some time, I will show you something delicious which we are eating here. And we're sitting This is the ambience where we are sitting. So let me capture that and look at the vibe of the place. This is the vibe, and she is sitting there. And here something is getting ready live. I'll show you. Till that time, enjoy this. So we are waiting. We are waiting for the food, and she is preparing the food there. So let me show you. Sit. I'll just capture some things. Feel the evening vibe of the place. Yes. Another plate? Yes. Thank you. So we are starting to eat this and meet you after some time. Just enjoy the feel of it. Sitting here and we are enjoying it completely. Yes. Now you need to mix both of. It's too hot and spicy. Mix both the. Mix both the. And have it in your mouth. Mm. 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 Awesome. It's called puddu or ape. It's exclusive to South India, and this is the best puddu I know, and that is why I keep on coming to this place to have this experience. Having this ambience, sitting on the roads. Yes, you liked it?
I like
Very spicy and tasty,
tasty.
juicy.
Yes. There's potato in it.
Feel the lightness. Enjoy every moment of it. This life. Whoa, you walk in front. Yes. Walk, walk. Yes, say hi. So we are around the flower market, and as you can see in the background, it's a beautiful flower market. And some are here. They're making garlands out of it. Enjoying? Yes. Yes. Feel the vibe. Feel the vibe of the place with me. Come, let's walk around this. It's an evening vibe of this place, and it is extremely high positive energy. When you come to this place, you automatically feel positive. Your chest, yes, straightens, opens. Heart chakra opening activity. Thank you. Let's capture the vibe. Wait. I'll capture you. Yes. We'll walk around this area a little bit. Have the close view of the flowers and everything. Which one? Yes. These are bouquets. Come. Happy? Come. Different types of fruits. So, how did you like today?
I enjoyed. I feel alive. I like it.
Yes. Are you feeling younger, youthful, more energetic, able to walk with the new slippers?
Yes, I can move
Better.
better.
So let's go on the hike. This hike. Go upstairs. Yes. It is easier to walk with the slippers and the new socks.
Yes, I think it's easier.
Sit here for some time. So these are new socks with fingers separated, and this is extremely different kind of experience. With slippers we can walk comfortably. There is no pressure on the legs and knees, and even after walking 1-2 hours continuously, we are feeling good. In a new way, I am inventing and discovering life, and same way I am teaching her and you the ways to live life freely. You don't have to be in the same clothes, in the same way of living life which binds you. Every time you wear certain clothes which is not comfortable to you, but to show off, you feel constricted. Your nervous system is in freeze mode, still you wear those clothes. But when you wear comfortable clothes, which is very much friendly to your skin, and you walk freely, you feel totally different. We walked almost 2 hours now, and still we are energetic. We didn't feel any kind of tiredness. And now, and sitting on the roads like this, getting rid of OCD. There is no over cleanliness involved. We are sitting literally on the roads, and it doesn't matter. Does it matter to you? Very good. So she is healing slowly, 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 and we are recording these videos to give you exemplary demonstration that if she can do it, you too can do it. You don't have to follow your mind anymore. We are just living life, experiencing life. I am teaching her everything about living freely. And she is becoming younger day by day. At heart. Her heart chakra opened today by coming here. Isn't it? Yes, open. Because this place is extremely happening place and we enjoyed a lot. So bye bye for now. Thank you. So here we are for watermelon juice. Excited to drink something new? Yes. It's getting created freshly here. Thank you. Cheers. Let us keep it here. Yes. Extremely refreshing, and this is rich in potassium and electrolytes. It is 90% water, so whenever you are dehydrated, you should drink watermelon juice, coconut water, or lemon water. So let me enjoy. Cheers. Cheers. Just feel the vibe of this place. Sitting on the streets is just fun. You like this new experience of sitting on the streets?
I like. I like.
Every time you decide where to sit, it becomes too much of tension. And now there is a temple there, and the evening rituals are happening. I'll show you the bells and the ringing, and we are sitting here enjoying the vibes. So listen to the sound of the bell. So enjoying this vibe is fun. It releases most of your blocked energies. You don't have to think much, isn't it? You're just sitting, allowing it instinctively. There is noise all around, but inner stillness is there. You feel safe, still. Correct. You don't have to think much. So these are all the vibes. Enjoy it. The greenery around, the lights, the sounds, the traffic, everything is here to be enjoyed. So bye bye.